Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I revamp my old wig. So first off, I'm going to be combing the wig to remove every form of tangling from the wig. Make sure I brush it out thoroughly before proceeding to the next step. So next I'm going to use my shampoo and pour in some hot water or lukewarm water and pour my shampoo into the water. Make sure I mix it up and then put the wig into the water and allow it to sit in for 30 minutes to 1 hour. I'm just going to let it sit in for all the dirt to come out. Yes, I'm gonna wash off the dirt from the wig after letting it sit for 1 hour because I let it sit for 1 hour, and I'm just gonna wash off the dirt from the wig and detangle again with my hand to make sure that the wig is not tangled. And the wig is actually really dirty. I haven't washed the wig for almost 6 months. Don't judge me, but I'm gonna wash it and try to be delicate as I can and make sure I remove every tangling and just comb it through with my fingers to remove every form of tangling from the wig or the weave and make sure it is easy to comb through. I'm just going to thoroughly wash it because the wig is really dirty. I'm going to thoroughly wash the wig, and yeah, as you can see, it's all tangled. My bad. Yeah, it's all tangled, but we're gonna fix that, so enjoy. So at this point, I'm just going to detangle the split end because the wig is already tangled and the wig is getting tangled in the end or on the end or at the end. So I'm just going to detangle it and wash it for the last time, squeeze off the water from the wig. So you have to be really careful while doing this so it doesn't tangle like mine. And then I'm gonna put it in a bowl and then try to let the water dry out. I'm gonna use my conditioner. So here I'm mixing 2 deep conditioner, one from Mediana and the other from Mega Growth. They are both Nigerian brands. I'm just going to put both deep conditioner into the wig because I haven't washed this wig for 6 months or more, I guess. So I'm just going to thoroughly put the deep conditioner to make sure that it sits into the wig and it penetrates into the wig. Yeah, I'm trying to detangle the part that is already tangled because it's tangled and matted and really tight. I really can't get my fingers through it, but I'm actually going to try to make it work. I'm still trying to put in the deep conditioner to make sure that it sits well into the wig. Next, I'm going to wrap it all up and put it in a plastic bag. The reason I'm putting it in the plastic bag is to let some heat penetrate into the wig, so it leaves the wig all shiny. I'm gonna let it sit in for 24 hours. You can let it sit in for 30 minutes or 12 hours as you want or as you like, but I'm gonna let mine sit in for 24 hours because I really want to revive this wig back. So the next day, I'm gonna comb it through with my fingers, make sure that I try to detangle the matted parts and make sure that the ends is not tangled because the wig is already tangled. I'm just going to try to detangle the wig because I really love this wig and it's more or less like my go-to wig every day, every time. I'm always reaching for this wig, so I'm just going to try to detangle this wig. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to also comb it through to take off all the detangling or the matted part. And guys, trust me, this process is not easy. And the reason I kept this is for you to see how I struggle with detangling this matted part or this tangled part of the wig. So guys, when you're washing your wig, you have to be really careful in order for you not to have your wig tangled. So I'm just going to comb it all through, and a lot of hair fell out. Yeah, my bad. Next, I'm going to put it in a warm water to wash off the deep conditioner because it's penetrated into the wig. I'm just going to wash it off and make sure I wash all of it out of the wig. So I'm washing it thoroughly, dipping it back into the water to wash off the deep conditioner to make sure that there is no form of any deep conditioner left in the wig, to make sure that the wig is clean and all shiny and looking neat and cute. I'm actually going back to check all of the ends to make sure that there is no form of tangling in any part or anywhere or any area of the wig, and if there is, I'm going to detangle it with using my hand or whatever I find or whatever I can. So I'm squeezing off the water from the wig. Next, I'm going to pour in the leave-in conditioner to the wig. This is a leave-in conditioner from Mediana, which is actually a Nigerian brand. So guys, you can basically use any product you have or any leave-in conditioner or deep conditioner or shampoo you have on your wig, as long as it's trusted or you understand or you know your wig, you can use it on your wig. And this leave-in conditioner is actually my first time trying it and it's really good on my wig. It's leaving my wig all super shiny and cute. So I'm just putting in the leave-in conditioner to soak the wig in the leave-in conditioner. So I'm doing that using my hand. I'm putting it in every part. I'm making sure that the leave-in conditioner sits in the wig because this is what will actually determine the longevity and the cuteness or the shininess of my wig. So I'm making sure that it's all over on my wig, in my wig, whatever it is, trying to make sure that I get my wig or revive my wig back to looking all super shiny and cute. And so next, I'm going to air dry it and dry it till the next day, and yeah, it's all dried up, and I'm going to comb it through, and as you can see, it is looking all shiny, looking super cute, very lovely, looking good. And I'm just going to comb it through because there is no form of any tangling again, because I tried my best or try as much as possible to take out the tangling of the wig. And yes, I'm just going to comb it all through. Next, I'm going to lay it on my hair. Just wear it because I'm basically not using any form of glue on my hair, so I'm just going to wear it on my hair. And yes, that's it for this video, guys. Do let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.